Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out, I got a little electronic alarm clock. Sometimes you just want to be able to see the time without it being all fancy with all the different devices and stuff, and having to look at your watch or phone. Sometimes you just want a clock on a bedstand. Make it traditional. So here we go, took everything out of the box. So it comes with, so it's going to work off a USB, so it's got the little USB adapter for it. And then we have the plug here. Let's see what the wire is. It's going to be USB to micro USB. So it's got a little micro USB end. And here is the clock. So a little digital alarm clock. Peel this up. Hopefully that was satisfying for you. I don't know. Let's see what we got here. Let's plug this in this way. And here's all the switches and stuff on the back. You can see it's where I plugged it in. So that's how that will go. And then we'll plug this in here. And look at that. We have a clock. So let's see, we have different levels of sound. So we have, this will be, I guess no alarm. That'll be low and that'll be high. You can kind of see it shows up over there. We can, I guess, set the time here. So let's see, what time is it now? It's 6:02. So what is it? Oh, 6:02 p.m. So I'm gonna go down. So here we go. You just kind of hold down the button to make it go. 9, 7, 6. Okay, 6:02. And then I'll hit it on lock, and there we go. So now it's set for 6:02. Nice clock. You can set the alarm too if I wanted to. I could set it for, now it's set for 6 o'clock a.m. 6:02 p.m. So you can set the clock, and let's see, what else do we have on here? To turn off the alarm, we have a little snooze button on the top. So that'll snooze it. We can change from 24 hours to 12-hour time if we really wanted to. That would mean it's 18:02 right now. But here we use 12. And then this side here, I guess that's, the different sounds. You can wake up the birds if you want to. Or just a beep. Or this lovely song. And then we can change our brightness. So there it's off, and it's super dim, a little brighter, 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 and turn off. So I would probably leave it like somewhere dim like that if it's on my nightstand. So cool. So let's see if there's anything I'm missing here in the manual, or if I pretty much figured it out. So time setting we figured out, alarm setting we figured out, the volume with those switches on the back that we saw. We can turn off the alarm by turning the switch to off. We can snooze it. Snooze for 9 minutes is what we'll snooze for. We figured out the brightness, and that's pretty much it. So we got this all figured out without even needing a manual. How cool is that? So really nice. It's kind of got a little curved profile, so it looks sleek. So I like it. It's nice little alarm clock. Thumbs up.